Xilinx Incorporated is an American technology company that develops highly flexible and adaptive processing platforms. The company invented the field-programmable gate array, programmable system on chips, and the adaptive compute acceleration platform. It is the semiconductor company that created the first fabless manufacturing model. Xilinx's products are used across many industries and technologies, including the data center, wired and wireless communications, AI/ML, automotive, industrial, consumer, aerospace and defense and broadcast and pro-AV. Co-founded by Ross Freeman, Bernard von der Schmidt, and James V. Barnett II in 1984, the company went public on the Nasdaq in 1989. AMD announced its acquisition of Xilinx in October 2020. Xilinx was founded in Silicon Valley in 1984 and headquartered in San Jose, USA, with additional offices in Longmont, USA, Dublin, Ireland, Singapore, Hyderabad, India, Beijing, China, Shanghai, China, Brisbane, Australia and Tokyo, Japan. According to Bill Carter, a fellow at Xilinx, the choice of the name Xilinx refers to the chemical symbol for silicon C. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.